Smart Books with Ben, Kit, and Tun Tun. One Sunday morning, Ben and his friend Kit visited the bookstore with Ben's mom. Both were thrilled to explore the shelves full of colorful books, but with so many choices, they weren't quite sure how to pick the right ones. Fortunately, Ben's mom was there to guide them through the process, and they had brought along their little lizard friend, Tun Tun, too. As Ben browsed, he picked up a book with a delightful illustration of a lizard. He showed it to Tun Tun and said, "Look, Tun Tun, the illustration of you is so beautiful in this story." Tun Tun seemed quite pleased, which made Ben and Kit giggle. Ben's mom shared some key tips on choosing books wisely. She began by saying, "First, look for books with beautiful illustrations. Books are not just for reading, but also for enjoying visually. Nice pictures make the story more engaging and easier to understand." Kit eagerly nodded, and Ben's eyes lit up, thinking about how beautifully illustrated characters like Tun Tun make the stories come alive. Mom continued, "Besides beautiful illustrations, good writing is also essential. Flowing, clear words will make you love the story even more." Ben added, "And like in The Little Prince, it's about kindness, right, Mom? That book always shows kindness and understanding." Mom smiled and agreed, happy that Ben recognized the importance of uplifting messages in stories. Mom also reminded them to look for books with new and creative ideas, especially ones that promote kindness and positive values. These are stories that are not only interesting, but also carry messages about helping others and being a good person, she explained. Finally, Ben's mom added some practical tips. She suggested they choose books printed on good quality paper, not too thin, so the illustrations and text are clear and easy to read. She also reminded them to pick books that fit comfortably in their hands, not too big or too small, so they could enjoy reading without any hassle. Excited to put these tips into action, Ben and Kit began browsing the shelves, discussing their options, and showing Tun Tun each book they found interesting. They carefully chose books with beautiful illustrations, well-written words, bright and positive content, fresh ideas, and uplifting messages. They also ensured that each book was just the right size and printed on quality paper for a comfortable reading experience. Leaving the bookstore with their favorite books in hand, Ben, Kit, and Tun Tun not only brought home interesting stories, but also valuable lessons on choosing books that inspire kindness and creativity.